So I live in France, but I didn't know the US law also. My product is a simple mix of a torrified plant. Uh-oh, I'm going to have to Google that word, torrified.
Yeah, I don't know that word either.
I'm horrified with that term, with water, which is intended to treat a specific condition. Is it possible to patent this? Okay. Well, let's see. I do want to offer up that there is there are 3 types of patents you can get. A design patent, which is largely about the way an object that can be made looks. Okay, that's a design patent. Second type of patent is a utility patent, which governs functionality of what the invention does. There is a third type called a plant patent. I don't know if this is where this is going, but you can get a patent on a specific botanical strain, a new plant species. The major criteria, major specification there, requirement I should say, is it has to be man-made, right? You have to have some human input. And if torrified means that it was created in a lab, in other words, it was modified, the strain of plant was grafted or in any way manipulated, and it changed from its natural form, thumbs up, so long as it's novel and non-obvious above and beyond other plants, okay? And so you can secure patents on plants, as long as they're asexual, reproducible, right, in a lab, you can get them all going. This seems like it could be a bit of a utility as well, because it's treating a condition. I know there's obviously separate rules regarding the FDA, right, making such claims for certain things. But aside from that, you know, compliance, if it does have a benefit, right, if you're combining a plant with water, gosh, that seems so inert and natural to me. Seems obvious, okay? Just kind of the red flags are going up in terms of obviousness. I mean, going back to like what, 3rd, 4th grade plants, or what does a plant need, right? Sun.
Dry out the plant, grind it up, and add water.
Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, you know, and this is a mix. So if there's something else going on here that seems novel, it's worth a shot. Whether you live in France or anywhere in the world, if you're seeking a patent in that country's laws will govern. And then if you want to, seek patent protection outside of that, there is a really cool treaty called the Patent Cooperation Treaty, where you can get protection in multiple countries through that vehicle. So have a look and talk to a local attorney, a US attorney. Bold Patents would be a great option. We'll provide a link for you to schedule time to talk more about that.